Hello and welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to share another ES6 features, which is async and wait, async wait. So the definition of async wait is a way to handle the asynchronous operations, and the benefits of async wait is to write a cleaner code, easier to read, and it will produce less bugs. So the async wait is a cleaner and shorter syntax, and is easier to read, and is a synthetic sugar for promises. And also async wait is a non-blocking code, and also async wait is a top level wait and is a try catch block, and also you can you handle using the async wait. So asynchronous programming is a way to run the code in a non-blocking manner. So when you using when you will use async wait to handle a asynchronous code. So async wait basically perform this operation in a non-blocking manner, like your asynchronous code is not block the other code. So it allows you to execute multiple tasks simultaneously and without blocking the execution of other code that I already mentioned. And JavaScript introduced the async wait syntax to make it easier to write and reason about write and the reason about asynchronous code. So here is an example that demonstrates the use of asynchronous code. So here I write a async method like fetch data. So definitely to fetch the data from this URL will take some time. So I just put a async keyword here, and I just write a await here. And here to get the data from the response, I just put another await like response.json, and finally I return the data. Now to call this async method, I write like this, like fetch data. Then when the data is available, then I can just console the data and dot catch. I just catch the error. So in this code, the fetch data is declared as an async function that fetches some data from this URL and from a server using the fetch API. So using this fetch API, and the await keyword basically is used to pause the execution. Is await is used to pause the execution of that function until the response is received. So basically, this await will pause the execution of this line of code until the response is available. Okay. So now when the response is received, then I parse the JSON like .json. Once the data is obtained, once and also here I also use the await keyword, which will pause until the response.json will provide the data. And finally, I just return the data, and as a result of this promise. So this is the definition, like the code execution of this fetch data async function. And now you can also catch the error inside this async method. So how you can catch that? Like it can be happen like when you fetch the data from server, it might maybe the server is down or some other reasons. So it can be a 500 error can be happened, or any kind of like any kind of exception can be occurred. So to catch that exception, you can use a try catch block. So if any exception occurred here, it will just go to the catch block, and it just either console the error or can throw the error. So it don't hamper your code execution basically. So you can handle the error using the catch. So here the try catch block basically is used to handle the errors that may occur while fetching the data that I already mentioned. And if error occurs, it's logged to the console and rethrown so that it can be caught by the calling code. Like here I call the fetch data, and if any error occurred, as it's throw the error, and the throwing error will be catched by the calling method here. So you can easily catch the error and you can show the proper error messages. So this is all about the async query handling. And so so this will help us to write a to maintain or to maintain the async to write the async code in a proper way. So yeah, so that's all about the async in ES6 features. So that's all for today. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel. So thank you.